I'm getting by with my wicked ways. I'm loading up and I'm taking names. I wanna I'm getting by with my wicked ways. I'm loading up and I'm taking names. I wanna
Guess I got away with words, I can get away with murder. Ever heard of Asperger's? It's a rare condition you're suffering from when you simply don't care if it's an 80-degree day and there's no freaking air conditioning, and you can't see the bitch's hair is frizzen cause you got the windows up blaring the system in your Chevrolet Prism. The devil ain't on a level same as, and picture someone who revels in straight masochism, then imagine him giving an adjective and ass whipping so bad they should put his ass in prison. A word bully, a verbally abused verb that did something to me personally. Used to get bullied so I took class and digit, now I fully rap, I'm the shit faggot. Cadillac from a K-car, my ass from a hole in the ground, still can't tell a made part. Came straight out the trailer park, screaming I'm proud to shop at Kmart, and it became art. And I'm still fed up and it's pissed off this day art. To this day I still get in fights with the same broad at the same Walmart, arguing over the same cart in the middle of the aisle, wildin'. I don't give a fuck, I don't play. Bitch, you think you saw this basket first? Yeah, ass backwards like motherfucking Bob and Silent J. Ill as shit you could think I would say. Mine's like a pile of clay. When's the last time you just all dealing with a cape? Rip the cape and hole in it, flipped out, ripped down the drape, tied them around my neck, back down the fire escape for the Empire State. Stick fell straight down to the ground, splattered all over the entire state, and straight to hell, got impaled by the gates. So Satan stuck his face in an ashtray while I sashayed around flames with a match, and I gave him the cat's face. And this ain't got nothing to do with our scale of being gay, little faggot, but by the way, thoughts are getting darker by the day. I'm a combination of Tyler, Great Tyler, the creator, and Violent Jake. It's a fucking miracle to be this lyrical. Paint my face with clown makeup and a smiley face. I'm insane. Every rhyme I say sums you like an ultraviolet ray. I'm selling hatred, buffet style, all the shit you can eat, $11.99. So come on and pile a plate. I'm throwing down the gauntlet to see what hell I can raise. With a rhyme I'm spitting while I'm sitting on competition. In the meantime, it's always meantime.
I'm getting by with my wicked ways. I'm loading up and I'm taking names. I wanna getting by with my wicked ways. I'm loading up and I'm taking names. I wanna
I've been a career asshole, I don't see why these people always got my back. I done said so much fucked up shit, I was born a mistake, but I was put here not by accident. I had a purpose, and that purpose was to be the beat purplish. Slaughter tracks, I done put my 2 dimes and a nickel in this shit. I'm coming to get that quarterback like Indomitian. The drama can build, your mama can ask me for my autograph, cause that cougar's a milk. She's the oldest chick in the book, but I sure would fall for that. You done brought a bat to a rocket launcher fight. When I get on the mic, I'ma snap. Make it was the ambulance that took me to the hospital when I overdosed with a caught up flat. If it makes you sick to your stomach, acid, indigestion, my suggestions, KO, pectate. If it feels like I'm running away with the game, it's cause I am, don't speculate, spectate. All I got is dick for days and insults for decades, but I get by with my wicked ways. Lady, you can suck a dick till your neck aches. Cry till you get puffy eyes, red face. But I'm leaving on this jet plane. You ain't fly, you're an airhead, and I'm sick of pounding a square peg in a round hole. Sorry, another catchphrase, but your baggage ain't gonna fit in my storage overhead space, cause it just ain't big enough to fit your damaged goods. Other words, don't try to put your heart in a head case. Baby stable, mentally I ain't, I need my meds. I peed my bed, I'm going blind, I don't see my legs. I keep on falling down, no wonder you can't stand me. I need my cane, someone help me, I think my face is melting. If you felt these migraines and see these maggots eat my brain, this GIA-NT hole in my empty head. If you read my mind, you can see my pain, and you'd see why I be this way. Ever since I was knee-high playing with G.I. Jones, told these hoes shut their P.I.E. hoes, now beat my game. Cause I'm about it, like a fucking echo. Psycho on a cyclone cycle, spiraling here I go. I'm out of control like no other might go. Stab you to the night goes. Y'all, I'm nothing but a hole inside your skull where your eye goes. Cause I'm a socket to you. Like ho, you don't like it? Get on your Harley Davidson minstrel, cycle and ride it like a motorbike. I'm finna blow the mic the whole night, so strike up the fucking maestro. I'm Nitro and hi ho. Hand me my shovel, I'm liable to dig my hole deeper, and it's off the HE double hockey stick psycho. I'm
getting by with my wicked ways.